Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make chicken pakoras. This is a delicious and crunchy chicken appetizer that is coated in a thick spicy batter and fried until crisp and golden. It is not only packed with flavors, but it is also tender and juicy. So let's get started with the ingredients. These are the ingredients for preparing the chicken pakoras. The method: let's marinate the chicken strips. So add in the coriander seed powder, Carrom seeds also known as Ajwain, Kashmiri Chilli Powder, Garam Masala powder, Turmeric Powder, finely chopped green chilies, salt, finely chopped curry leaves, Cumin seed powder, chopped green coriander leaves, pepper powder to taste, ginger and garlic paste, lemon juice, and finally the Greek yogurt. You could use hung curd instead of the Greek yogurt. Now mix well, and note you could increase or decrease the amount of green chilies, chili powder and pepper powder used to suit your spice levels. Now add in the thin long chicken strips to the mixture. And mix well. Now cover and marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the marination is done, let's do the final steps just before frying. So add in the rice flour, bicarbonate of soda and chickpeas flour and mix well. We want this mixture to be dry, so add just a little water, only if required, so that the chicken is still dry and well coated. Now add oil and mix. And lastly, at the very end, just before frying, add the Panko breadcrumbs and give it a good mix. Please note, you can omit the Panko breadcrumbs as it is optional. Now let's immediately fry the chicken strips. So carefully drop the chicken strips in the hot oil and fry on medium heat until crisp and golden. Now remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Then repeat the previous step and fry the rest of the chicken strips in batches. And as before, remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Remember, we want the chicken to be crisp and golden. And lastly, garnish with deep fried curry leaves and deep fried green chilies. And you could sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it if you like. And serve with onion and lemon slices and any dips of your choice. And there you have it, delicious and crunchy chicken appetizer called chicken pakoras. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video. And subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.